Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to integrate the GitHub official theme inside your VS Code. For doing that you need to go to extensions, and GitHub provides you with a official theme that you can use. If you just type your GitHub theme, so this is the theme that they provide you. It's developed by GitHub itself. It's a verified extension and it's used by almost 17 million developers. So it's a fairly minimalistic modern theme, and once you click the install button it provides you with all the themes right here. This is the dark theme, and from the drop down you can actually select which theme you want to prefer. I generally prefer the dark theme here. You can see I personally like this one, which is the GitHub dark default. So as you can see, this is the color combination, syntax highlighting. You can see the icons appearing like this. So this is the dark theme here, which is a black background, and the default one is this one, GitHub dark, which is a grayish look. As you can see, this is dark gray, and the syntax highlighting looks pretty good as well. So you can click the set color theme button right here to select your favorite theme here. This is again a flavor of the dark theme right here, and this is the default theme here. This is the dim theme. So in this easy way, just install, if you like the GitHub related themes, you can install their official extension and simply set the theme inside your VS Code. So all these things, if you prefer the lighter version, you can also use them the lighter version as well. You can see all the things are there. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.